Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I am Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can work with more than one worksheet in Excel. In this example I have here a shop and I have names of some items and the price is not written here. I want to access the price from another worksheet. So I will show you how to do that. So to display the price, I will write here equal sign and then go to the second worksheet where this data is saved. So I'll click on this one, then press enter. Now as you can see, the price of the item has been imported from another table. We can do the same thing for this one. I want to try, if I've never did this before, but I want to try if we can copy this. And now, okay, so the duplication doesn't work with this, but what I'm going to do is, yeah, it doesn't work because it has this sign, the dollar sign. It means it fixed it. So I'm going to remove this one and I'm going to do the same thing again here. Okay, and then go into this table to enter the next information and press enter. So not just that, but also we can do some calculations here. For example, let's say here I have a quantity item, a variable, and then let's say I put here the number of items to be 5, and then price is here total. So I want to calculate total price using the external worksheet. To do that, total price is the quantity times the unit price. So I will write the function, the equal sign, and then I will write the formula. This will be a product. Click on this one and then write the multiplication asterisk, and then I'll go to the previous table and click on this data, press enter. So you have learned that you can access data on a different or external worksheet, and you just for display or for calculation and so on. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.